So today, I want to talk honestly about a product called Prime Drops. I'm sharing this because when I was searching online for male support supplements, I was honestly confused. There were too many ads, too many promises, and very little real talk. So if you're watching this video, I'll tell you my real experience and all the important details you should know before trying Prime Drops. Prime Drops is a liquid male enhancement supplement. That was the first thing that caught my attention because I don't really like pills or capsules. This comes in a small bottle with a dropper, and you just take drops once a day. It felt simple and private, which is something many men look for. Before using Prime Drops, I was feeling low on energy, especially during the day. Work stress, poor sleep, and daily routine slowly started affecting my stamina and confidence. I wasn't looking for a miracle or anything extreme. I just wanted something natural that could support my body. I started using Prime Drops daily as suggested. I usually took it in the morning. The liquid is easy to take, and you can place it under the tongue or mix it with water. There was no bad taste, and it fit easily into my routine. After about 2 weeks, I started feeling small changes. My daily energy felt more stable, and I didn't feel as tired by the evening. After around 3 to 4 weeks, my stamina felt better, and I honestly felt more confident overall. Nothing extreme, but enough to notice a difference. Prime Drops uses natural and plant-based ingredients. It doesn't claim to use steroids or hormones, which was important to me. The idea behind this product is to support blood flow, energy, and male vitality naturally. Of course, results can be different for everyone, but consistency really matters here. Now let's talk about the price because I know that's important. Prime Drops is sold online, and the price depends on the package you choose. When I checked, the best deal was the bigger bundle. The 6-bottle package came to about $49 per bottle. The 3-bottle package was around $59 per bottle, and the smaller 1-bottle option was about $69 per bottle. So clearly, buying more bottles gives better value, especially if you want to use it for at least 1 or 2 months. As for side effects, I personally didn't experience anything serious. Some people may feel mild stomach discomfort or a light headache in the beginning as the body adjusts, but that usually goes away. Still, if you have a medical condition or allergies, it's always better to talk to a doctor first. Prime Drops is not for everyone. It's meant for adult men, not for women or anyone under 18. It's also not a medical treatment or hormone therapy. It's just a daily supplement that supports male health naturally.